Hello, and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to add a constant line in an area chart visual. Select, drag and drop the area chart icon from the visual selection. Now, drag and drop date to x-axis and revenue to the y-axis. Drill down the visual until the x-axis are months. From the Analyze section, click on the y-axis constant line icon, then click on the Add Line button. Then add the value you want the constant line on y-axis of the area chart. Now, we have added the constant line. Let's format this line. To format, click on Line and then select the color black and then adjust the transparency level. I will now change the line style from dotted to solid line. Let's turn on the data label feature and move label to right. I will select the color to black and then from the drop down we'll select both as labels. Thank you. If you want to learn to create Power BI dashboard like this in 15 minutes, then click on the link at the top of screen. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel for more Power BI videos and get regular updates.